Hi guys, I'm here today with a purchase I made on Etsy, and this is a junk journal kit that I got from Jessica at I'm a Cool Mom Etsy shop. I forget the actual name. I'm a Cool Mom book something. I'll put a link down below if you're interested in that. And I just kind of opened it because it's taped, but I haven't opened it. So this is my first time seeing it. So this is a cute little bag. Let's see where we open it. Let me put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. Okay. I thought it would be fun to try out a kit. It's a spring junk trunk kit. And there's like printouts and stuff from other Etsy shops and Instagram and all that good stuff. Oh, it's Cool Mom Book Boutique. And on YouTube it's I'm a Cool Mom. Here. Right here. Okay, so she has some online videos that there are for only those who buy it. So these are the codes to get to it. So you can see there. And let's see here. So we have a little bag of goodies. We've got the book corners, some buttons, a couple beads. I forget what these are called again. Garment pins, or there's a couple names for those. And this thing, which I forget the name of it too, to hang on the spine of your journal. I have some of these that are smaller, but I forget the name of them. So there's a bag of goodies. There's some really cute fabric. There's that. This is going to be fun. I thought it'd be fun to just make one with the stuff already together rather than me searching through all my stuff. So we have a little bag envelope here, glassine envelope. Some goodies in it. There's a little piece of metallic paper. We have a flinch card game. A tag from a plant. And a map card. Those will be fun. Let's see. This is from Above Par Crafts. Let's see if I can undo this so I can reuse it. Okay, let's see what we got in here. So we have a crocheted doily. This is Above Par Crafts business card. I'll show you that if you want to see it. A playing card and a library card. So that is cute. And of course the bag that we can use. And there's another little goodie bag. It's got a paper clip, a flower stamen, and some circles from a book punched out. And then we got another big bag of goodies. Another nice size, like a sandwich sized glassine bag. This is cute. A postage stamp, a vintage postage stamp. And a couple of cute little envelopes. Here's the backs side. These are cute. There's another postage stamp. You've got some tags, two sizes, two big ones and a smaller one. A guest check. This is like the hard copy part. Piece of wallpaper. Vintage wallpaper. There's another little piece of the fabric, like at the beginning. And here's some like cheesecloth. And nice piece of lacy ribbon. There's a craft color doily. And here's a deli sheet. A napkin, which I have one of these already. That's from Dollar Tree. Or, no, it's either Dollar Tree or Tuesday Morning. I can't remember where I got that one. And here's another one, a nice big one. Love the butterfly. Which is why I had originally bought that. And then here are the printouts for the pages. And then of course we have a piece of cardboard which we could use. And I thought these were really cute. Black and white and pink. So here's the first sheet. Here's this one. I actually like the black postcard. That's neat. This is this one's from Tsunami Rose. I'm not sure where the other one's from. But this one has Tsunami Rose name on it. So this one is a Tsunami Rose. This one's cute. Got hearts and a little ink bottle. Little tags. I like the old-fashioned typewriter. That's cool. And we have some more like book cards here. These are some pockets to cut out. A couple more pages. I like this paper. It's like glossy. That's neat. Let's see if I have any like that. I need to get some of that. Here's like just from old booklets or something. I'm not sure what they are, but it's got old writing and stuff on it. So there's that. And this has this sheet. This one. Another one of these. And there's some like journaling spots. This is like a from the desk of, and you keep notes. I like this one too. That's cool. Reminds me of old wallpaper too. There's journaling cards, map paper. And that one. So that is pretty cool. I can't wait to make a journal with it. Probably use this cardboard and cover it or something. So that is from I'm a Cool Mom Book Boutique on Etsy. I don't know if there's any more of these left, but she will be having another one late June, I think, or July. Oh, this is June. Maybe late July. I can't remember what she posted, but she's got a Facebook group as well. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.